Detective Garda Grania Collier, seen here in the middle, previously gave evidence that Lisa Ward was 32 weeks pregnant when she attended hospital in a distraught condition after being assaulted by her then partner. Dean Paget, seen here at a previous court hearing, attacked his victim numerous times in Dublin city centre in the early hours of the morning on April 25, 2021. CCTV footage was played in court last week, showing Paget subject Ms Ward to what the judge called a series of vicious assaults and appalling threats to her own life and her baby's life. The 34-year-old, who was homeless at the time, could be heard shouting, "Do you want the guards? I'm going to rip her out of you," referring to their unborn child. The assault continued when the couple arrived at their tent at Montague Lane, where Miss Ward said she struggled to breathe as he choked her and told her this was the moment she was going to die. When she attended at the Rotunda Hospital later that day, an exam confirmed there was no fetal heartbeat. In a victim impact statement, Lisa Ward said, "All I ever wanted was my little girl Ruby Rose," and said she would never get over what Dean Paget had done to her. Paget pleaded guilty to attempted murder with charges of false imprisonment, causing harm to Ms Ward and intentionally ending the life of a fetus taken into account. His lawyer told the court previously the father of 5 had witnessed severe domestic violence as a child and had a significant drug and alcohol problem. Mr Justice Paul McDermott said this was a sad and tragic case. He said Dean Paget had subjected his vulnerable partner to a severe and terrifying attack, the physical and emotional effects of which would endure for life. The judge set a headline sentence of 20 years in prison, but took into account the defendant's guilty plea, his remorse and his attempts at rehabilitation, and jailed Paget for 13 years. Deborah Naylor, Virgin Media News at the Central Criminal Court.